Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change background color in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and let's add a color matte so that we would have a background right here. So to add a color matte or a background, then you can click here on the new item button under the project panel. So if you can see the new item button, make sure that you have expanded your project panel just like so that you would be able to see this new item button right here. So once you have found this, click on that, and then from here click on color matte. And then you should click on OK right here because the video settings should match your sequence settings already. Then you can click on OK. And then from here, choose the background color that you want. So let's say I want green, and I'm going to go click on OK after that. And now you can name your color matte if you'd want. So in my case, I'll just go for color matte sample. And then I'm going to go and drag it into my timeline just like so. And now I have my green background right here in my timeline. So if you would want to change this right away without creating another color matte, you can just double click on this right here on your timeline, double click, and then as you can see, this will pop up, and then you can just change your color right away just like so. And that is very easy right there. So that is basically how you can change your background color in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.